thank you for joining me. I'm just here trying to make an easy, quick, easy meal. I wanted to send my thoughts and prayers out to those affected by the winter storm. It's apparently going to get worse in the East Coast, and after this weekend, hopefully I see it clear away, because we have gone through so much without electricity. Some have no Wi-Fi. Right now I believe there's over 65 people dead, and I think the worst of the worst was like 40 inches of snow reported, and also negative 30 degrees. But I'm just gonna keep this simple, and the first thing I'm gonna do is salt this water while I boil it for the chicken and rice, which I'm not gonna make them together, but I'm gonna add some harissa for seasoning. So unfortunately, I have checked the current status, and I'm in shock right now because the death toll has actually doubled. We are at almost 110. So let me pour this rice in. And like I said, keep everybody in thoughts and prayers, because it's gonna get real thick this week. And as I put this chicken in, I want to remind you guys to stay ready, stay prepared, and stay safe as well. So I have the bread here, and the chicken is boiling, but it's still not ready yet. I want to make sure that the rice is at least cooked before I take it out. So I separated the broth and the chicken and the rice, as you can see, and I'm just gonna go ahead and make the gravy. So I'm gonna start with some turmeric. Turmeric goes in, some thyme, a little bit of thyme, and I'm gonna add some of this seasoning spice mix we made. It's like Creole seasoning spice mix, just a touch, and then I'm gonna add this to thicken it. It's taco seasoning from Taco Bell, the original recipe, and a bit of epice, and also cayenne to give it a little kick and add color. And I will mix that up and warm it up and cook it till it's thick. Then I'll just throw in these drumsticks so they can finish cooking. So as that cooks, I'm gonna add the rice back in. I'm gonna add a portion of rice back in, along with some beans and this seasoning, jollof seasoning, the rest of my beans, and we'll just cook that until it's warmed through, because the rice is already done, so are the beans. I'm just gonna grab a portion of this rice and bean, like that, and some gravy. I like gravy. Don't forget to give this a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. My Sunday from. Bye-bye.